Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and Smith Richard here. Okay, tonight we are looking at this question. It says that consider the chemical reaction below. This is the reaction where sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen to give you sulfur trioxide. The product formed as written in the equation is 2SO3. Okay, the question says that what does 2 represent? So what does it represent? 2 is the coefficient, but what does it represent? It represents the number of molecules as represented by the equation. So that is that. Then comes this question. What does it say? What does 3 represent? Okay. What does it represent? Okay, 3 is the subscript, but what does it represent? Okay, 3 represents the number of atoms of oxygen in 1 molecule of sulfur trioxide. So that is that. So then comes this question. It says that what is the number of atoms of each below as represented in 2SO3? The first one is sulfur. So how many sulfur atoms are in this representation? Okay. So this is what we have to know, that when you see sulfur, there is no number for subscript. So if there is no number for subscript, the number is 1. If it's 1, we don't put it there. So the subscript for sulfur is 1, but the coefficient is 2. Coefficient is for all, is for both sulfur and oxygen. So if sulfur has 1, what's going to be the number of atoms? It's going to be 2 times 1, giving you 2. Okay. Then we come to oxygen. What is the subscript for oxygen? It was put there, it's 3. But remember, the 2 is for the entire molecule. So oxygen has subscript 3 and coefficient 2. What does that mean? It's going to be 2 times 3, giving you what? 6 atoms. Yes. So comes this question. It says that confirm that the equation above is balanced. Okay, this is our equation. And how do we show that it is balanced? Okay, let us rewrite it. We're having 2 sulfur oxygen plus O2, giving you 2 sulfur oxygen 3. Okay, then after that, what do we do? Let's start with the sulfur. Okay. Our sulfur is has subscript 1 because we don't see any number here. If there's no number, the number is 1. So it's going to be 2 times 1, giving you 2. Okay. Then you go that side, this side. And what do we have? We have our sulfur on the product side. It is S. Okay. And what is the subscript there? 1, because there's no number here. But the coefficient is 2. So it's going to be 2 times 1, giving you 2. Okay. Then we go to oxygen. What do we have for oxygen? Okay, oxygen is our O. And we have our subscript. It is 2. But the coefficient is 2. So we are going to have 2 times 2, giving you 4. So what do? We go to this oxygen, this side, still on the reactant side. If you don't say number here, then it means that the coefficient is 1. So our coefficient is 1, but our subscript is 2. So 1 times 2 gives you 2. What does that mean? That for all the reactant oxygen, we are having 4 plus 2, giving you 6. Okay, so we have 6 oxygen on the reactant side. So you go to our product side. You have oxygen, which is O, and the coefficient is 2. But the subscript is 3, giving you what? Giving you 6. So the equation is balanced. You have 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur. And you have 6 oxygen and 6 oxygen. So it's balanced. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe, to react, to share. We are simply the best. See you then. Bye-bye.